Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet again to another video. You're in digital marketpreneur, and in this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. Okay, and in this video we're gonna talk about how you guys can earn $500 plus by using the Google Slides software with affiliate marketing. Okay, so we're gonna jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly how this actually works. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into Google, right? And then you gotta enter Google, and as you can see I already have it here, Google Slides. Then you're gonna click on this button, and since you already have a account, you're gonna click on go to Google Slides because you need it for personal. Okay, so you're clicking on that, and this is what opened up. Now the beauty of this product is you can do easy slides for presentations, and then when you click on the plus side, it's gonna show you all these themes right here. You can use any of it. Okay, we're gonna go with a very simple one. We are gonna click on, for example, let's go and use that. Okay, so it says click your ad, click your subtitle, and then if you go here, you're gonna click on the plus button and the plus button, right? And then you can add another one right there, or you can add this one, right? And you can use any one that you want to start creating your actual Google Slides. Okay, so we're gonna go here, and you can see it changes, it makes them all different, and it makes it nicer, right? So you can play with this for a while, make it very simple, make it your own style, right? That's what you need to do. So the second thing we're gonna do is we are going to go to a marketplace. It's called ClickBank. ClickBank is actually international, okay? And it's an affiliate marketing network where you can find tons and tons of products that you guys can promote. And it says, as you can see right here, it says international, and then you gotta sign up and create an account if you haven't yet. So we're gonna click on that. All right, so we are in the marketplace for health and fitness, and then we're gonna go to Leptux, right? Huge commissions. You're gonna click on this button right here, and then you gotta enter your name and email address to get access to their affiliate tools. Once you're in the affiliate tools, you are gonna look for something that is called the email swipes. Okay, and as you can see, you gotta click in here and you gotta download that file. Okay, and then you are going to open that. Okay, so as you can see, you have your email swipes, right? Email number 1, email number 2, email number 3. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, okay? It says first send a strange water hack burns 2 pounds. You're gonna take this, you're gonna copy it, right? And then we're gonna go back to our presentation, and then you're gonna click on here, and then you're gonna paste. All right, and then you can actually play with this. You can make it a lot bigger, right? And you can find any font that you want. Let's say you want to play with that, and then we're gonna make it Pacifico, right? And then we're gonna go back to our email swipes. So once we go back to the email, you see this is the body of the email. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this, I'm gonna copy that, then we are going to go back to Google. All right, and then that is your intro. So you're gonna click on a plus, and then you're gonna click in here, and you're gonna click on paste. So as you can see, you copy and paste, and then we're gonna do something like this. Then we're gonna go try to make it a little bigger. Right, we're gonna try to use the same font that we used before, Pacifico, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add a plus, and then we're gonna go back to our email swipes. And then as you can see, you got email number 2. So you're gonna use this again. I'm gonna click on copy. We are going to go back, and then you're gonna use that as your title, right? And then you're gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna take this down, and you're gonna make this bigger. All right, and then we got this, and we got that. Now once you copy all these email swipes, right, from here, and you gotta copy every single one of them. You got email 2, you got email 3, they got email 4, so you got 4 emails. You're gonna use all of them, right? You're gonna copy this, and then you're gonna click on percent. Okay, so what this happened is, this is going to show you those actual forms in a video. And then you see this button right here that says play, and I click on play. Once you have that done, okay, what you need to do is you're gonna go to Google, okay, and you're gonna go look for an OBS software. Now I want to show you this. This is the software that I'm actually using to record my screen for this specific video. So that's exactly what you're doing. You're gonna record the screen, so when you go back to this presentation, you're gonna put the presentation, right? You're recording your screen, and then you're gonna click on play. Boom, and you have this recorded. So what you gotta do after that is you're gonna go into YouTube, okay? And I'm gonna show you this video right here from this lady. Hers Alicia West, and if you can see, she's promoting ClickBank products, okay? And this is what she does. She's using, what she's doing, she's using all the information that she's getting from the affiliate tools. You see that? You got videos, you got banners, they give you pictures, and she's actually using that on her YouTube channel to promote. You see right there? And all it does is change from page to page, and she's doing a presentation. She actually record her screen, and that's how she's doing it. Guess what? This only lasts 1 minute 27 seconds. She has over 3,000 views. So as you can see in the description, she has her affiliate link, and that's what you need to do for this actual video. Okay, so now that you gotta start your own YouTube channel, you gotta upload these videos that you're recording with OBS. The one thing you need to do is, you see this right here, this is the vidIQ extension. There's gonna be a link in the description. It's actually absolutely free. There's another one for TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is absolutely free too, and this one will help you with tools so you guys can optimize your videos. So for example, we're gonna click on this, and then the name of this product is the Lepitox Nutrition. So we're gonna go back here, and you're gonna enter Lepitox Nutrition, and as you can see, they got nutrition, colon cleans, Lepitox Nutrition. So we're gonna click on that, and these are the video tags that you can actually use to put on your video. Okay, so we're gonna X this out, and as you can see, these are the tags that this video is getting. So you can actually do the Lepitox, and we're gonna actually go here and enter Lepitox review 2020, and then what you need to do is we're gonna enter here, we're gonna pause that, and then you see right here, these are all the tags that this video have, which is actually ranking at the top. So you guys can copy all this and put it on your video when you're uploading the presentation about the Lepitox that you have right there. As you can see, you don't need to go crazy and do absolutely crazy videos. There's quite a few reviews, but you guys can use these tags so the Lepitox can go in, and as you can see, you guys can use these tags so your videos can start ranking and you do something different, which is a presentation of this video. And if people click on your video, you can see this one has over 4,000 views, and that was, you know, uploaded 2 months ago. Then you can actually start ranking for this actual keyword, which is very, very low. With the vidIQ and the TubeBuddy, you can get even more ideas. And then you put your affiliate link, right? Which when you go to the marketplace, you're gonna click on promote, and then you're gonna generate the hot link. And then this is the actual link that you are gonna copy it. Then you are gonna go into a place that it's called bit.ly, right? You're gonna enter this link, you're gonna paste it, you're gonna shorten your link, and then as you can see, you're gonna copy this, and that's the link that is gonna go into the description of your video. So we're gonna click on that, and as you can see right here, she's giving her review of the Lepitox. So you see, here's the direct link. This is exactly the same thing that you can do to start ranking your videos. So as you can see, guys, you can use Google Slides to make very simple short videos for any product. So you guys can go and create a YouTube channel all about health, and then we're gonna go back into my video so I can show you this. You can actually do the same. Look, they have so many products of ClickBank, and most of them will actually have the affiliate link right there. They will all have the affiliate resources, and you can actually just take those email swipes, make presentations, and start promoting this on YouTube. And as you can see, people are promoting this without having to show their face, and you guys can start earning commissions right away. So I hope that this helped you. I hope that this strategy gives you more confidence to create YouTube channels without showing your face, and actually using the affiliate, you start using the affiliate tools that these companies are giving you, so you guys can start promoting their products. So with that being said, guys, I hope that you like this video, and as I was saying, I'm releasing in the next few weeks my free affiliate course. But if you're interested on beta testing, hit the comment section, leave me a comment that says affiliate marketing foundation training, and I will contact you so I can share information with you and how you guys can actually access my free training. So with that being said, guys, I hope that you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.